warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students. Morning. How are you today? I'm also great. Thank you for asking. Okay. Ada yang gak masuk hari ini? Ada ya. Oke, kita cari tahu dulu siapa yang gak masuk. I want to make an accent today. Perayaan Safra di sekolah. Muhammad Rafizi President. Rahman Alif Maulana. Nugraha Sujianto. Before we start our lesson, I want to ask you to have some prayer together. Sebelum kita mulai belajar, boleh salah satu lagi yang memimpin berdoa. Siapa? Wait.
Bapak, teman-teman belum mulai pelajaran,
Before we get started, I want to ask you something. Miss Mau tanya sesuatu. What did you do yesterday? Jadi, murid-murid kemarin ngapain? So I want to ask you, and I want to allow you to mention one of kind of activities that you did yesterday.
From language.
Alright, yeah, so Atika said that she learned some language. What kind of language?
Italian,
Italian,
Spanish,
Spanish,
and Russian.
oh, Russian. So she learned 3 different languages. Alright, give her a clap. Oh, very good. Nice. Is it difficult? What is the most difficult?
But difficult is Russian.
Oh, the most difficult is Russian. Alright, very good, nice. Today we want to talk about the past events. Jadi hari ini sebenarnya Miss mau ngajakin teman-teman buat diskusi untuk membicarakan tentang kegiatan di masa lalu. Do you know what's masa lalu in English? Past. Very good, nice. So if we combine all of that, we can say that simple past tense is actually some activities that we show to the past activities. So we use the simple past tense to make a sentence in the past days. Saya makan dia tadi makan.
Lupa kayaknya dia.
Is it finished or not?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. If you want to make a question sometimes, don't forget to add the question mark. Jadi jangan lupa tambahkan tanda. Nanti kalau ngerjain soal udah ada tandanya salah loh ya. Is it your warning to you? Oke. Jadi ini adalah kalimat bahasa Indonesia-nya. Now we want to move on to the English sentence. But don't forget, if you want to make a sentence, you have to know about the pattern. Jadi teman-teman harus tahu pola kalimatnya gimana. Jadi pola kalimat itu tuh gimana sih step-stepnya? Oke, jadi sama ya, ada 3 jenis juga. But it's a little bit different. Sebenarnya beda sedikit, tapi banyak banyak pengaruhnya. Bedanya dikit tapi pengaruhnya banyak. Yang pertama, you have to know about the subject. What is subject? Aduh, yes, very good. Give her a clap. Happy today appreciate it. Actually, subject is orangnya. Yang lakuin siapa? And then we have 7 examples of the subjects. I, they, we, she, he, very good. What's this? It, very good. But in additional, you can change the she, it to its name. Jadi nggak apa-apa kalau nggak mau pakai she, it boleh langsung pakai nama. But only one person, tapi satu aja namanya. Kalau 2 orang beda lagi. Kalau 2 itu udah termasuk they atau we. Ya, yeah. And now, what's next? Siapa yang ingat polas? Polas itu pasti sebuah subjek. Mark, very good, very good, nice one. Verb, yes. Jadi kita ngomong verb ya. But it's really important, it's really special. In the past, we don't use the verb 1. Yes, we do not use the base verb. We use the second verb as verb 2. Jadi, kita bukan pakai kata kerja yang kayak biasa kita tahu. Kita bukan pakai eat, sleep, drink. No, don't use that. Kita nggak pakai itu. Kita pakai yang verb 2. And then, after that, we just add the object. What is object? Object itu tuh keterangan. Nah, but the object is also additional. Sebenarnya objek ini juga conditional aja yang mau dipakai atau enggak juga nggak apa-apa. Yang penting ada subject dan right. Okay. Perduanya nanti kita akan kenalan. Tapi ini kita lanjut yang bawahnya. What about the negative sentence? Yes, subject. Yeah, because there is kata tidak in negative sentence, we have to add the kata tidak. But what is kata tidak in the past word? Apa itu? Apa bahasa Inggris kata tidak? Yang masa lalu. Don't. Apa? Doesn't. Didn't. Or what? Coba deh pilih. Don't, doesn't, atau didn't. Siapa yang don't? Raise your hand. Don't. Alright. Siapa yang doesn't? Siapa yang didn't? Kayaknya semuanya golput. Gak ada yang memilih. Tergantung subjek. Alright. So, ini teman-teman have to remember this. Actually, there is a special tidak. Jadi ada kata spesial dari kata tidak di masa lalu. Namanya adalah didn't. Yes, didn't. Jadi tidak buat di masa lalu itu didn't. Nah, don't sama doesn't itu dipakai untuk simple past tense. Terus, selanjutnya, what's next? Yes, we have to add the verb, but this one is also important. This one is the rule of the subject of the simple past tense. We cannot add the verb to twice. Jadi kita nggak boleh memastikan kata kerja kedua itu 2 kali, nggak boleh. Tidak, kan udah masuk kata kerja kedua ya. Bikin ini kata kerja kedua dari dulu. Nah, dulu ini salah satunya. Did untuk keduanya. Jadi di sini kan udah ada. Nah, jadi untuk verbnya, we want to back. Yes, kita kembalikan dari verb dua jadi verb see. And what's next? Alright, next. The last factor. Gimana nih? Kan ada apakahnya ya? Did very good, nice. Good job. Did. Did. Jadi kita harus tambahkan kata apakahnya dulu. We have to add the did first and then subject. And then verb. This verb. One and two. Two. One. Who wants to choose verb one? Siapa yang mau pilih kata kerja pertama? Siapa yang mau pilih kata kerja kedua? Ayo. Jadi, apakah ini verb subject atau kedua? Kita lihat. Karena ini dua orang dalam satu kelompok, jadi masing-masing jumlahnya bisa 5. Jadi kita buat seperti yang tadi. Jadi kalimat positif, negatif, dan hanya
5.
Ini langsung kita semangat dulu. Kita semangat. Kamu suka ini? Lagi ya, Mas. Boleh. Gak apa-apa. Kalau mau bukan 5 sama 10 30 ini aku itu per duanya. Kalau gue single present. This one. This one. Mulai dari yang mana yang udah ya? Paling belakang deh. Ayo, please, stand up, please. Makasih. Very good. Give them applause. Yeah, finally, we did all of the hard work and good job. Thank you so much. Jadi teman-teman tadi udah bisa ya. You guys can make a sentence even with the different factor. Jadi teman-teman udah bisa bikin kalimat bahkan di jenis kalimat yang berbeda. Alright, so thank you so much. And I think it's enough for today. Ya, mungkin materinya sampai sini aja. So thank you so much for your attention and your participate. Doa.
Sebelum mengakhiri pelajaran, mari kita berdoa dimulai.
I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much for your attention and for your participate. Yeah, I will see you on next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
See you guys.